How to cancel Netflix membership on TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can cancel your Netflix membership on your TV. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to cancel your Netflix membership on your TV, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is open up any web browser on your TV. So you might have installed any web browsers over there. You can download any of the web browser that you can find from the App Store and just go to netflix.com/your account. Again, I repeat, netflix.com/your account. Now you can also just go to netflix.com, but then you would have to click the profile icon and everything manually. So I recommend you go to netflix.com/your account. Make sure that you're signed into your Netflix account, and then you'll directly land on this your account page. When you're on this page, if you have a Netflix subscription, on the left hand side you'll be able to see membership and billing, and under membership and billing you'll be able to find this button known as cancel membership. You can just click the cancel membership option over here. It's going to ask you for a confirmation. We understand if you cancel, it'll take effect in August 23, 2023. Now this means that I have already been charged for this month. That is why my membership is going to remain till the end of this month, and after that I will no longer get charged starting from next month onwards. My plan is basically going to get cancelled. So if you want to continue it, click the finish cancellation option, and this way you'll be able to go ahead and cancel a Netflix membership on TV. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.